guys, this is my old phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, or this was my current phone. It's been about 2.5 years since I've last done this. I got this phone last year, well, 2022. I got this phone. It's been quite a while. Shut up. And as you can see, still working, but not quite working enough. This is the replacement. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've upgraded from this because it was only 64 gigs, 74% battery health, and I've been having some issues with this phone. As you can probably tell by my last video, I was not happy with this phone. However, at the moment, I'm just kind of on so that I can transfer everything. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing my new phone. It's been about 2.5 years. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, like I said. This is a white titanium 256 gig. So this is quite the difference compared to my old phone, which was a midnight green 64 gig 11 Pro Max. Come on. This is from Music Magpie. This is supposedly supposed to be refurbished. So we'll see how this one goes. I think I have like 14 days to return this or something. So even if I choose to go back to my old 11 Pro Max, then I will. Try and get into this. I'm also recording on an SE 2020 because I've been using an SE 2020 for God knows how long. Only actually a few days, but has not been great in terms of battery life. I can see why people complained about it. Come on, open this box. No, because it's supposed to be like one of those easy tab removal boxes. It's supposed to rip on the other side. The easy removal. It's like the least professional unboxing I've ever done because I don't have a tripod anymore. Come on. Just want the phone. Okay, right, hello. We're in. Ooh, looks nice in there. So, here's all the crap they give you, I suppose. Right, this is all the crap they give you.
You get £75
Cheers,
off wine
mate.
if you spend like £300 on wine.
Ooh.
You have to spend like £300
Hang on.
on wine.
Hang on, wait. Here's the reveal. Ready?
Ready?
Flip it back. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That is a white titanium 256 gig. Very good condition. 15 Pro Max. I'm actually not used to this at all. It is definitely quite weird to own one of these. I didn't think I'd own one of these anytime soon, actually. They haven't given me a cable, which would be helpful. No, actually they have. They have. Before I give them shit, they have. Hello. Right, that's my new cable, which is the same as my MacBook charger, so I will just plug it into my MacBook charger as usual.
See your reflection in the phone, it's so shiny.
It's so shiny next to my old... Hang on, get a comparison on this. Look at how shiny it is next to my old 11 Pro Max. With all of its like scuffs and scratches and scars over the years. And then look at this one. This one is nearly brand new. I'm actually quite scared to turn this on. Right, 3, 2, 1. First time ever turning on this stuff. Oh, hello. Apple logo looks smaller compared to my old 11 Pro Max for some reason. But yeah, no, I bought this to replace this guy. Oh, hello. Right, hang on. Do this. Right. Here we go. We are... Oh, the dynamic island as well. I quite like that. That's quite a cool feature. Oh, God, I don't want to scratch this. I know I'll probably end up scratching it in the first day anyway. Come on. Oh, the 120 hertz. That's why the screen is so quick and responsive. Can't lie, the 120 hertz in person doesn't actually look that dramatic. It's not the dramatic change that I'm... Did I put that in United Kingdom?
I think you tapped something random.
Make sure yeah, that was in United Kingdom. Default appearance. Right, this is where I'm going to need my old phone, the 11 Pro Max.
Is this on my new phone?
No, you're not setting up my new phone. Alright, we're going to bring my old iPhone 11 next to it. I feel so bad. Sorry, iPhone 11. Holy shit, I thought the 11 Pro Max was big. I genuinely can't get over the size of the 15 next to the 11. The 11 just looks so tiny next to it, and I thought this was a massive phone.
Still don't like how it doesn't lie flat. It's like sloped.
My old 11 used to barely lie flat. Now I've got a 15 that doesn't lie flat. Although I did choose the white titanium, so we'll see how I like the white titanium this time round, because obviously I chose I wanted the matte finish of the titanium. I didn't really like the blue, or else I would have chosen the blue. Don't really like the rest of the colours. The black is a bit mid. Hello, here's my SE2 that I'm recording on. Why is this taking forever? Come on, you're supposed to be a 15. You're supposed to be like quick. Right, we're on data and privacy, so I'll just quickly try and skip through as much of this as I can. There we go, Face ID. I have to set this up. Right, so here's where it's asking me to set it up with my old iPhone 11. I'm even calling this phone old. It doesn't even feel like that long ago that I had this phone for. I can see the 15th notch is so much more different. And again, with this, I get 5G, I get all these different things. I get 5G, the flat design, I get MagSafe now, USB-C, I get the action button now as well. Rather than my old mute switch, which I'm used to on my old iPhone 11. I was kind of hoping that they bring the mute switch back on the 16, but I don't think they're bringing it back this time, so... Oh well. There's so many things different on the 15 compared to my iPhone 11. Which I'm going to say, I'm going to miss the 11, because there was some good things about the 11. And so far for, like, first impression of the Music Magpie, it's actually been okay. Like, I can't actually see anything wrong with this phone. It's not even a pristine phone, it's supposed to be very good. So, I'm very impressed. I'll just say I would have liked the box, though. For £850, I would have liked the box. Alright, looks like I'm just staring at this screen for now, so I'll update when anything else actually happens. Right, it's asking if I want to set this up as my new iPhone. Hit continue. No, we're not going to do that, thank you very much. Yep, turn on location services. I'll need that anyway for my Apple Watch. So. Right, so I think I'm towards the end of the setup. Yes, I know what the action button is. Cool, yep, cheers boss. Don't care. Just let me continue. How am I supposed to... That's weird.
The colours of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to shine.
The colours of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to
Colours
shine
of the
through the
sky
clear night.
begin to fade with the setting sun. Yeah, cool. I guess phone the police. Right, cool. Guess I sit here and wait for it to do something. Right, so I'm currently editing this video several months later. It's currently January on my new 16-inch MacBook Pro, and yeah, that was the worst setup and transfer process I've ever been through in my life. With an iPhone. That took absolutely an age. That's why I didn't record anything afterwards. This phone took like 4 hours to set up, possibly longer. It was sat on that setup for so long, but yeah, it's now my main phone, as you can tell. It's got my SIM in it. I've been using it for a little while. I've put Apple Care on here now, as I will quickly show you. Yes, as you can tell, I have put Apple Care on here now. So this phone is insured if I do have anything happen to this phone. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is my 15 Pro Max that I've had for the last couple of months now. I just haven't edited this video, and now I'm finally doing something about it. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Cheers for watching, and yeah, 15 Pro Max or something. I don't know. In a bit.
How do you like me?